65. This is what the truck's gonna look like, except more poor 15.
Yeah, no touching.
Automatic.
Okay, you just get this. This is a very much look in your eyes.
Original upholstery.
Where you at? Look at the fins on the oil pan.
Nice. Fins on the oil pan. Performance exhaust. Beautiful car. 110. I don't see anyone with a smog pump.
Well, actually, the hot rod was quite
Automatic.
they got certain.
Why do they have 164 figures? I don't understand that. I don't understand that.
Oh, I know a 164 cubic inch. 164 cubic inch. Side oiler. Same color as Dad's.
Original.
I guess we got a vote pretty soon, huh? Look here. See how smooth this is? And the sticker? Look over here. No sticker, but it's got this on both sides.